Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dryer thermistor in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. You may also need to shut off the incoming water and remove the hot and cold water supply lines as well. If necessary, remove the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer access panel. Set the panel aside. Place a towel underneath the thermistor to prevent the mounting screws from falling into the cabinet. Unthread the 2 screws securing the thermistor to the blower housing. Use the needle nose pliers to disconnect the 2 wires to fully remove the old component. To install the new thermistor, first connect the wires to the terminals. Align the thermistor on the blower housing and thread the mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the access panel by inserting the tabs into the slots first, then rethread the screws. If necessary, reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on if necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.